guys! Before I get started on this week's video, I just want to remind you all to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Okay, so now let's jump right into this video and start learning about the seventh planet from the Sun, Uranus. Uranus, also called Uranus by some, was discovered in 1781 by astronomer William Herschel. Uranus was originally thought to be a comet or a star, and it took 2 years after its first discovery to finally be accepted as a planet and named Uranus after the Roman god of the sky. The distance from the Sun is about 1.8 billion miles, and with it being so far from the Sun, the average temperature is negative 357 degrees Fahrenheit. Uranus is an icy giant that cannot support life, as far as we know. According to NASA, Uranus is made of water, methane, and ammonia fluids above a small rocky core. Also, just like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus's atmosphere is made up of hydrogen and helium, but it also has methane too. The methane is what makes Uranus blue. Another thing that makes Uranus just like Jupiter and Saturn is its rings. In fact, it has 13 of them. The inner rings are narrow and dark, and the outer rings are brightly colored and easier to see. Uranus is very unique because it is the only planet that rotates on its side. Some scientists believe this is due to an Earth-sized object colliding with Uranus and causing its unusual tilt. Uranus is the only other planet, like Venus, to rotate in the opposite direction than all the other planets. Both Uranus and Venus rotate east to west. A full rotation, or a day on Uranus, lasts only about 17 Earth hours. However, a whole year on Uranus is very long. It takes Uranus about 84 Earth years to go all the way around the Sun. Uranus has 27 known moons, and they are all named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. However, recent discoveries suggest that Uranus might have 2 more tiny moons orbiting around its rings. The inner moons are made of roughly half water ice and half rock. The structure of the outer moons is still unknown, but they are likely asteroids captured from Uranus's gravitational pull. Uranus has only been visited by one spacecraft in the past. Voyager 2 arrived at Uranus in 1986 after a 9-year journey and flew by this planet. It only took about 6 hours to gather important information about this distant planet. The rest of what we know today about Uranus comes from the Hubble Space Telescope and other powerful ground telescopes. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you learned a lot about Uranus, and we'll come back next week to learn about the 8th planet from our Sun. Also, please remember to comment or hit the thumbs up icon below if you are enjoying my videos. Thanks everyone, and goodbye for now. The average distance of I'm just stumbling a whole bunch on that. According to NASA, also, just like Jupiter and Saturn, I don't remember my word. Why can't I get the part? Voyager 2 arrived at you. What am I trying to say?